So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to hide your Instagram application on your iOS devices. So let's get right into it. First we head into settings and then we find screen time, and then here we see content and privacy restrictions. Here you will find the option to turn off your content and privacy restrictions, so we'll just on that for now. And then we go to content restrictions, and then we go to apps, and there you go. Here we just press 4 plus or 9 plus, and there you go. Your Instagram application has been hidden in your iOS devices. And to just revert that into normal, we'll just have to press allow all to just reveal the Instagram application. And that's how you hide your Instagram application on your iOS devices. And thank you for watching this video.